Hello Pisces, this is your bi-weekly for the last 15 days of May. So let's check out your energy. This is like a quick reading for my beautiful viewers. So for the last 15 days of May, for Pisces, 10 of Wands, you feel the burden, you are exhausted, you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. So you are feeling exhausted or some sort of a burden you definitely feeling these days for the last 15 days of May. So let's check out the energy of your partner, their energy towards you the last 15 days of May. So we have two cards here, that is the Eight of Pentacles and the Star card. So first of all, this person is too much indulged in their work. They are working on their financial situation, on their career. So this person is like workaholic. They are totally focused on their pentacles, on their work environment. And the next card is Star card, but they still hoping for this connection. They still like feeling what is going on in your connection is divine, right? Divine decision. They have to go through this, and they are still hoping for the best. They are feeling the divine blessings, or they are too much focused. They accept the reality. Basically this person is like, okay, if it's if this go in this way, then it's okay. I totally focus on my work area, and they leave or surrender to the divine. So that's all going on into their mind, because they believe at the right time period the things move into their favor. So let's see your energy, Pisces energy for the last 15 days of May. Pisces energy. So we have Three of Pentacles. So you also may be focused on upon your pentacles, or maybe you still want to work upon this connection. You still want to like build this connection, no matter how much burden you are feeling, how much responsibilities you are in, or what's going on in your life, that you are too much feeling the burden or exhaust already exhaust because of something. Still you want to make things right and positive, and you still focus on building something, right? So let me take one more card for you, your energy. One card for you. I see Six of Wands. So maybe you are recognized for your work for this time period. Definitely. What you do, no matter in which matter you put the effort, you definitely gain recognition by your colleagues, by your partner, because of your efforts. So that's a very good symbol. One more card for my beautiful Pisces for the last 15 days. I'm not taking that much, just one card. Okay, we have Queen of Swords. So you are too much determined that what you have to do. You are too much focused about your planning. You are too much straightforward right now. You are not taking any bullshit, right? You are just focused upon your work, and you are too much straight that what you want in your life. You are too much focused upon your work area, upon your relationship. You know what you want, right? So let's check out one last card from your partner side, your partner's energy. Six of Cups. So they are very, your partner is like very angelic person who do believe in divine timing and the divine. They have a strong belief in the universe, in their religion, in their faith, right? So they do know that this is something soulful. They are totally surrendered to the divine. if this is the time for them to do the hard work, they are doing just simply hard work and leaving everything on the God, and they do feel the soulful strong connection with you. So let's check out the final outcome of your connection. Final outcome of your connection for the last 15 days of May. Okay, so what we have, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. So there is a no need to worry because everything will be sorted out at the end, right? So wish come true, like you, the mutual wish of both of you to come into a union, that will be fulfilled. So this is your reading. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.